Understanding the phrase, throwing up, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, throwing up. This is a common expression in the English language, often causing confusion among learners. So, let's dive in and demystify this phrase together. Throwing up literally refers to the act of vomiting, expelling the contents of the stomach through the mouth. It's a physical reaction that can occur due to various reasons like illness, discomfort, or reaction to certain substances. Understanding this literal meaning is crucial as it forms the basis for other uses of the phrase. In a figurative sense, throwing up can be used to express the idea of rejecting or giving up on something. For example, someone might say, "I'm throwing up my hands in frustration." This doesn't mean they are physically vomiting, but rather that they are expressing a strong feeling of frustration or surrender. To better understand throwing up, let's look at some common contexts and examples. 1. Health-related context. She was throwing up all night because of food poisoning. 2. Expression of frustration or despair. After trying for hours, he threw up his hands and admitted defeat. 3. Colloquial usage. In everyday speech, people often use throwing up casually to refer to vomiting, especially in informal contexts. While we don't use phonetic transcriptions, it's important to note that throwing up is pronounced with a strong emphasis on the first syllable of throwing. The th sound in throw is voiced and soft. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of throwing up for you. Remember, context is key in understanding whether it's being used literally or figuratively. Keep practicing, and you'll master these nuances in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.